All right, so for you people, this is a Monday because y'all didn't come into school yesterday. So make me feel good about this. Class?
Yes.
All right, good, thank you. Now, we're going to go over weight and mass. So in your notes, this is the objective for this. We have weight and mass, and then we also have temperature. So if you looked at my right there, so 9.3 is measuring weight and temperature. So on page 8 and 9 in my notebook. So right here, I'm going to say this is going to be in page 9 in my notebook right now, because 8 is going to be the homework page. So all this is, so weight is the measurement of gravitational pull on an object. Mass is the quantity of matter in an object determined by its molecular structure. So it's like how big it is. So weight would be a 1 ton of feathers or 1 ton of lead. Okay, they're both a ton, right? But their mass is different. The feathers would have more mass, right? It'd take up more space, okay, for this, but it would have the lead would have a higher density of that. So, but it would be a smaller amount, take up less space. All right, section treat mass and weight as equivalent, refer strictly to weight. Now, units of weight, English system, or what's another one that we call this?
Standard.
Standard, thank you. Also standard. All right, good job. All right, 16 ounces is 1 pound, okay? And 200 pounds is, or 2,000 pounds is 1 ton. Now, seriously, all right, let's see if you can tell me this real quick. All right, how many grams in an ounce? Why is everyone looking right at you? How many grams are in an ounce? That's kind of weird. Huh?
It's kind of weird.
I know. Why? Yeah, it's funny because everyone looked right over at you. So it's almost like you do something, yeah, measures things in grams.
No.
Yeah. No. No side hustle.
The answer.
Yeah, no side hustle. Right? Okay. All right, units of weight. So kilograms, hectograms, so the different meanings, so it's actually by, everything is referring to how much of a gram it is. So kilo, hecto, deca, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. Okay, changing units of weight within the metric system, we have 950 milligrams to grams. 950 milligrams. So I'm going over here. So I have 950 this. So we're gonna write it down, and then milligrams to grams goes up 1, 2, 3. So this is another way of doing this. So we have, and so a decimal point is currently right here. So this is in milligrams. So if we're going from small to big, it goes, decimal's going to move this way. So how many places did I move it? Let's go back to the thing. It goes up 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, so it's 3. So watch this. It goes, I don't know why. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So the new unit would be 0.95 grams. They're the same. They are equivalent. We just did that. Metric as everything is base 10. And our number system is all base 10. So to multiply or divide, all you have to do is just move it one way or the other. So if I start at small and I'm going to big, I move my decimal point to the left. What if I'm going from big to small? What do you think is going to happen? I move it to the, yeah, move the decimal to the right. Okay, so actually let's write that down right here. So big to small. So going big to small, I go from All right. Okay. Volume, weight, and metric system. So we dealt with this already, and we ended up adding some stuff to my notes for my table. So 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter, which is also the same as just 1 gram. So all those are equal to each other, so they're interchangeable. So it's this is equal to this, which is also equal to this. So they're all equal. So 1 cubic centimeter, I could also just say that is equal to 1 gram. Aquarium holds 0.25 cubic meters of water. How much water does it weigh? How much does the water weigh? So let's go ahead, and I'm going to start by doing my conversion here. So I know I'm going to have 0.25 meters cubed of water. And I'm going to do a conversion to weight. So 1 meter cubed, or 1 cubic meter right here, is equal to the weight of, what's it equal to? 1 gram. So it's equal to 1 gram, right? So that's what I'm actually trying to transition it to. I'm going from cubic, cm cubed to gram. Oh wait, no, wrong one. Oh, it's the bottom one, sorry. I don't know why I was thinking of that last one. Anyway, so meter cubed all the way over to 1,000 kilogram. 1,000 kilograms. There we go. See, I was checking to make sure you guys are paying attention. That's what it was. That's what it was. Because no one's trying to take a nap right now in my class, because that would be horrible. So let's go ahead and set it up. Over 1. So set up my second fraction right here. So on my second fraction, what do I have to know about that second fraction? On the bottom, very good. Okay. Anyway, all right. So meters cubed is on the bottom, and what are we going to turn it into? How much does it weigh, right? So in terms of weight, that is 1,000 kilograms, right? So it's going to be kilograms. So 1 meter cubed is 1,000 kilograms. Like I said before, I like writing this out every single time. I write out all the steps, I write out where my units go, and from there I know what I'm going from and I'm going to, because I set up my units first. And let's go ahead and right here, bam, bam. Now, do the multiplication. What do we get? 250. So 0.25 times 1,000. You got 250?
Yeah.
Yes. What are my units? There we go. You guys feel pretty good about this? Yes? Not too bad, right? Anyone have questions before I keep going? Actually, I think I'm done after this example. Actually, no. After example 3, then I'm going to stop there, and then I'm going to give you time to work on the assignment. So So, example 3, using dimensional analysis, convert 160 pounds to kilograms. Ooh. Pounds to kilograms. So I'm going to start the same way. Same way I did it every single time. 160 pounds. Do you know what the abbreviation for pounds are? LB. That's weird, right? Has nothing to do, like, there's not an L or a B in the word pound. There's what? In Spanish? Isn't that a lion or something? Isn't that like your astrology sign? It is, right? That's the same thing? I don't know. So if that's your astrology, you're like, man, mine's just weight. All right. Anyway, start off with over 1. On the bottom, what's going to go on the bottom? Pounds. What am I turning it into? So we got to find a conversion where it says pounds and kilograms. 1 pound is 0.45 kilograms. So, what's actually heavier, 1 pound or 1 kilogram? A kilogram is bigger. A kilogram is actually weighs more. All right, do the conversion. And we come up with a grand total of, say it again, 72 kilograms. Look at that. That's a lot. It's a lot of kilos. Anyway, all right, so I'm going to stop right there. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button and buy stuff. Support my channel from my merch store.